by Memo's Calf down Borough Beach. That looks not great. Don't know what to make of it though. Needs fixing, new valve maybe. Leaving water sitting there as well, not great. Doesn't even work. Great. Look at the state of the place. But now we have this load of rubbish. Just showing it because it looks weird. Typical home managed by our council. And they don't do a very good job of looking after stuff. The state of the place. That's weird though. Do I can design like that? It's unique, yeah, but I don't like the look of that. It's an S-pan of that. Prison bin. Yeah. I mean, good. Flimsy though. I'll put some more paper down now for the sake of it, yeah. Because why not? It looks quite cool though for what it is. But not very nice. It's a 2012 build, by the way. It's a 2012 build. Right, put some more toilet paper, I don't know. Not gonna put too much because, yeah. Well, that's enough. Working button, I think. I don't do a sample. Looks awful, if I'm honest with you. That doesn't. Why is it two sinks in it? Turn it up. Probably a Frank or something like that. That's probably a make of it though. For sure again now. Should be ready. That's got an hell of a drop though. Ah, the shape of that. That's got an hell of a drop down to the trap. Quite cool. Not very nice to use obviously, but personally I just rip it out for a proper toilet in it. 2 taps down there. Give it another flush now in a minute when it fills up. Not very good. Rubbish.